Do equations look confusing to you? Don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand linear equations clearly. Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Path, the learning hub. In this lesson we are going to learn what a linear equation is, step by step, using simple examples. First, let's understand about what is an equation. So, an equation is a math sentence that shows two sides are equal, where two sides are equal. So, two sides means what? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that the values of both the sides are equal. That is 5 plus 3, it will become 8, that is equal to 8. So, this here left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Now, what is linear equation? So, linear equations is in the form of x plus 4 is equal to 9. It has one variable, that is x, plus one constant term, and in right hand side there is also a constant term. Here in this case we are not aware about the value of this x and we have to find it. So, how we can find it? So, we need to balance this equation. We need to balance this equation, and how to balance these equations we will see here. So, before going to the examples, let's understand deeper what linear equations is. Linear equations is an equations where the variable has the power of 1. Just say I have mentioned here three examples. In this case, x has the power of 1. Here degree is 1. X square. So we cannot call it as the linear equation. It is a quadratic type of equation. It is cube, x cube. So this is also not a linear equation. Another x to the power 4. This is also not a linear equation. Similarly, y has the power of 1 only, and another 3 y square, y cube and y to the power 4 is not a linear equations. Another third examples I took, that is 2y. It has the power of 1. So here power is 1. So here we can call it as linear. This also linear, but in this case it is a square, so we cannot call it as here also and here also. So that means no squares, no cube, just one variable, that is x, y, 2y, etc. Linear equations make straight lines when we graph them. So here I have plotted the graph here. See, I have plotted the points on x-axis where x-axis and y-axis meets each other. That point we call it as O. O means origin. O is the origin. This is the origin where two axes intersects. And on the right hand side of this origin, on x-axis there are positive numbers. On the left hand side there are negative numbers. Going upwards from this origin there are positive numbers on y-axis, and going downwards on the y-axis there are negative numbers. When I took the value, say x is equal to 4, then my line will pass from this point 4. It will go straight from this point. Then I can say that I have plotted the line of x is equal to 4. Similarly, if I take y is equal to 3, then my line will pass from this point. Okay. So I can say that I have plotted the line of y is equal to 3. So this is the straight line. So that's why here I have mentioned linear equation makes straight lines when we graph them. Now, linear equations is an equation where the variable has a power of 1. That means which I have told you earlier. Now consider example. We will take example. First examples I am taking. X plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Now I am not aware about the value of x, so I have to calculate the value of x. So first thing first, I have to balance the equation. Balance the equation on both side. On both side. So what I will do here, I will take the opposite number of this plus 4. So when plotted on the number line, there is the opposite number is minus 4. So what I will do, I will add this minus 4 to both sides. So let's add it. So x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4. Then this plus 4 and this minus 4 will become 0. Here on the left hand side there will be only x is equal to, this is 9 minus 4, it will become 5. So I have calculated the value of x is equal to 5. So I got the value x is equal to 5. That's why x is, we called it as the variable. The value of variable x is equal to 5. Another example we will take x minus 3. Second example we will take x minus 3 is equal to 10. Here also in this case I have to first balance the equation. I have to first balance equation. So again I will take the opposite number of this minus 3, that is plus 3. I will add it to both sides. Therefore x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will become 0. On the left hand side it will be x is equal to, on the right hand side 10 plus 3, that will become 13. So I have calculated the value of variable x, that is 13. So let's see how this works in our real life. Imagine that you earn $5 5 per hour you earn $5 plus you have already $10. So how you will calculate your earnings? So we will consider here y is your earning, that is equal to 5 times how many hours you work, that will be gets multiplied 5x plus $10, and this will become your earning. This is linear equation. This is linear equation. So I hope how to calculate the value of variable you understood it properly. Now the common mistakes generally students do, that is without balancing they will take the variable to right side. So in this case, second example we are taking, which we take earlier, x minus 3 is equal to 10. So avoid these mistakes. Without balancing we can calculate the value, but every time the value will be correct, that don't know. So x is equal to 10. Here in this case minus is there, so when we will take it to right side it will become plus 10 plus 3. So x is equal to 13. But in this case our value is correct, but in most of the cases it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So avoid these mistakes and try to balance the equation just like I have balanced here. So let's quickly review what we learned. A linear equations has a variable with power 1. So first what we learn, quick recap. A linear equation has a power of, linear equation has power 1. power 1. It has variable second. It has variable and third one we solve it by balancing both side both sides. Okay, so till here, if this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the Bright Path Learning Hub. I upload clear math lessons every week. In the next video, we will learn how to solve linear equations step by step. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.